about to clean my crunkety crunk of a refrigerator. Yeah, we already know, so I ain't about to ramble. Let's get into this video. I start by removing everything, and I mean everything, from the refrigerator. I'm cleaning off of all the shelves and all the baskets. A clean bucket of warm water and dish soap. I am now about to clean everything in the refrigerator. now about to throw all the expired food, all that food that has been sitting in there way too long. I'm talking about way too long, for about like a month or two, don't judge me. So I'm about to look at all the expiration date, make sure I don't have anything that's expired, and if I do, or if it's like a dash in there, I just simply throw it away. Alright, now don't y'all come for me with my little one egg in the container. I just wanted to show y'all that you guys, so you can get the gist of the organization, okay? Okay? Thank you. Now I'm about to repeat just the same steps that I did for my refrigerator, taking everything out my freezer, and then I'm also going to do the same thing for my deep freezer, just taking everything out. Once I take everything out, clean inside, just and repeat. whatever's expired, and get rid of it. I'm now about to use some like old grocery bags. You can use any one of them. I have a gang of them when I go grocery shopping. I like to use them, or sometimes I just like to use them to just put stuff in. But whatever. I also use them in my freezer. I got this idea from a fellow YouTuber years ago. Cannot find that video, but if you know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway. So what I'm doing is sorting through everything, putting the meat with the meat, the vegetables, fruit with fruit, and all that, putting it all together, and then I put it in those bags, which makes it so easy for me to pull out in the freezer and to know where everything's at. So that's what I'm doing right now. I absolutely love how everything turned out. It looks really neat, so much better. I know where everything is. Yeah, you can see, look at that before, woo, and then the what it looks after, totally different. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on my different social medias, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah!